Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize your HUD placement for Apex Legends on Android. So in order to do that, we'll need to click on the settings button. From here, click on the custom layout. And right here you'll be able to click on any of the HUD right here and move it around or place it wherever you want. You can also change the scale for each of the HUD like that. Change it alpha opacity like that, 3 or 4 fingers, so it's actually per set, so you can change it from 3 to 4 fingers, or copy the settings. After all that, you can press save, or if you want to restore default settings, click reset and then OK. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.